Hello children, welcome to the e-learning channel. I think you remember children, yesterday we have studied about the northeastern states, and the northeastern states, they are known as state of seven sisters. How many states are there in this? 7. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya and Mizoram. And which state we studied yesterday? We studied about 2 states. One is Arunachal Pradesh and the other is Assam. Okay. Now see the important points that were there. Then we come to the new one. Now see children. In Arunachal Pradesh, it is known for earliest sunrise in the whole country. Okay. Tribal people, they live here. They have their own customs, they have their own language. They grow rice, wheat, maize, millets, tobacco and oil seeds. Capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Clear? Now Assam. Assam is the biggest state in the northeastern region. Out of 7 sisters, this is the biggest one. It is known for the production of tea and oil in India. Assam is famous for silk. Dispur is the capital. People, they speak Assamese. Bihu is their favorite dance, famous dance of Assam. They celebrate with great joy. Okay, their dresses, this is their traditional dress. Fagua is their dance form. Then Assam, this is their traditional dress. This is Bihu is their famous dance. Okay children, now today's state is Meghalaya. Meghalaya. Meg means Badal. It is located in the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo hills. This Meghalaya is situated in these hill region. Shillong is a beautiful hill station and also the capital of Meghalaya. The state has rich deposits of coal. Coal mines are found here. Okay, coal mines are there in Meghalaya. The Khasis and Garos are the main tribes. Again, the tribal people, they live here, Banjaras. Khasi and Garo is the name of the tribes that live over here. In this state, Meghalaya, shifting cultivation is followed to grow crops. Shifting cultivation is followed to grow crops. Shifting means अदल बदल के खेती करते हैं. जैसे एक बार चना लगाया, एक बार कोई और फसल लगाई, फिर कोई और फसल लगाई, तो फसलों को बदलते रहते हैं आपस में. एक ही फसल बार बार नहीं उगाते. शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन, अल्टरनेट पे चेंज कर देते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ शिलोंग, आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द सीन ऑफ शिलोंग. इट इज अ कैपिटल ऑफ मेघालय एंड मेघालय चिल्ड्रन इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अबोर्ड ऑफ क्लाउड्स. बादलों से भरा हुआ. Clear? Abode of clouds. This is the traditional dress of Meghalaya. See clearly which type of dress they wear. Actually, they are the tribal people, so they wear this type of dresses, different from the general people. Clear? Now the next state is Nagaland. It is located on the eastern side of Assam. असम के ईस्ट में है नागालैंड. कोहिमा इज इट्स कैपिटल. नागाज हु आर द डोमिनेंट ट्राइब स्पीक द नागा लैंग्वेज. क्लियर? द पीपल ऑफ नागालैंड, दे आर नोन एज नागाज एंड दे स्पीक द लैंग्वेज दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज नागा. दे वेयर कलरफुल क्लोथ्स. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू. सी द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ नागालैंड. They wear colorful dresses. Okay, people of Nagaland are known as Nagas. Now children, it is a famous dance of Nagaland that is known as Dhakai. Dhakai. L is silent. It is known as Dhakai. It is famous dance form of Nagaland. Meghalaya. It is located in Khasi, Jaintia and Garo hills. Shillong is its capital and also a beautiful hill station. It is known for deposits of coal. Clear? Khasis and Garos are the main tribes living in this state. Khasi and Garo are the main tribes. Shifting cultivation is followed to grow crops. Shifting means अदल बदल के फसलें लगाते हैं so that it will grow, it will show a good growth. Okay. Now Meghalaya, this Shillong, it is a hill station. See the scene of Shillong, and Meghalaya, it is also known as abode of clouds. This is the traditional dress of Meghalaya. They are just dressed up like a tribal people. Now Nagaland, it is located on the eastern side of Assam. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Nagas, who are the dominant tribe, speak the Naga language. सबसे मेन ट्राइब है वहाँ की नागाज. दैट इज वाई इट इज नागा लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं वो लोग, उनको नागाज बोला जाता है. दे वेयर कलरफुल क्लोथ्स. नागाज आर द मेन ट्राइब. दे स्पीक नागा लैंग्वेज. they wear colorful clothes. See their clothes, which type of dressing sense they have. Okay. Now it is a famous dance form of Nagaland. It is Dhakai. Clear? Now children, it is a time for your homework. SST homework. Learn the hard words given, children. Okay. Arunachal, Itanagar, Assamese, cultivation, Christianity. These 5 words, learn it. Difficult words these are. Arunachal, Itanagar, Assamese, cultivation, and Christianity. And children, you also have to learn the state and capitals of the state I taught you. Like I am showing you state of capital of Nagaland, capital of Mizoram, capital of Meghalaya, Assam, capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Clear? Himachal Pradesh, Darjeeling, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, and Jammu Kashmir. Learn the capitals of these states. I'll ask oral questions regarding that. Clear? Now children, I hope you all are fine at home. Now stay at home, stay safe, and keep yourself healthy. ठीक है? Thank you and have a nice day.